Do you think I cheated on you? You broke up with me? Or no, I was only a flirtatious boy? Hi everyone, Hana is here. Hana, please introduce yourself.
Hey, I am Hana, and I am your ex-girlfriend.
Oh, really? Yeah, good.
I'm digital curator, and
What is a digital creator? What do you do exactly?
so the digital creator is the someone making like some creative things, create content and videography or.
Do you love your business?
Of course, I love it.
And how long have you been in this line?
Around 2 years.
Around 2 years.
Yeah.
Great. And do you make enough money, make huge money, or so little money?
I can't say huge, but enough money, yes. But of course, I like to make huge money.
And how long have you been living in Oman?
Around 5 years.
For 5 years. Great.
Yeah.
And you said to my followers and subscribers on YouTube, everybody will see us, my ex-girlfriend. What was the reason that you broke up with me?
Because you use a playboy.
I used to be a playboy.
Yeah.
And playboy, a boy who is flirting with lots of girls. And actually, I wasn't flirting. They were my followers, and they called me, texted me, but I think it made you angry. And why did you get angry?
Oh, because I don't like about the job is different subject.
You mean I should stop doing this kind of job and I need to change my job, or what?
No, you should to change your behavior.
I need to change my behavior.
Yes, of course.
You mean I used to be a playboy, not now? I mean, I changed myself, or what?
I don't know. I want to see.
You want to try it?
I want to try it.
As a boyfriend, if you want to talk about my character, my behavior, I was good boy or not?
Your heart was good, but yes, I had problem with your behavior.
And I surprised you several times, and
Of course,
I bought lots of good gifts for you.
Yeah.
So I was a good boy.
Actually, the trip of the Paris is best our memories.
The best moments of our
Yes,
relationship, right?
yes, yes.
Are you in a relationship now, or no? You are single.
I'm single right now.
Then you prefer to stay single, right? You
Yes,
prefer to stay
always.
single. And the problem that couples usually have is cheating. I mean, a boy or a girl cheats on her or on him. And do you think I cheated on you? You broke up with me? Or no, I was only a flirtatious boy?
I cannot say you cheating that time or no. I don't like the behavior that you had.
I
don't
was
like
too
the-
close to the girls. I mean,
Yeah,
I was
yeah,
very
yeah.
intimate. I was talking to them intimately, very closely, and you didn't like that behavior.
Yes.
Okay, I should promise her if I'm gonna continue my relationship with Hana, I need to stop talking, flirting with the girls, and try to be more serious with the girls.
Excuse me. You don't need to stop talking with the girl. You can talk with the girl, but you
Seriously, officially,
yes.
formally.
Yeah.
Not like a flirtatious boy, right? And none of the girls love a flirtatious boy. Every girls love to have a boy who is serious to the girls, behave seriously with the girls. A boy who is not too close to the girls, and she's not an exception. She's a girl.
I have a question.
And you're a little jealous, I think.
Okay. If you see, always I flirt with other guys, I just so close to other guys.
I don't care. Since I trust you, and I'm sure nothing will happen between you and other guys, then I don't care. It's okay for me.
Okay.
But you don't trust me. You didn't trust me. That was your
Maybe,
problem.
Yeah.
Then what should I do to make you trust me a little more?
I don't know.
You have to trust me. When you start relationship with a boy who is an influencer or who has many followers or subscribers, you gotta be ready. Otherwise, you will face lots of challenges. Yes? And Hannah, what are you doing? You're texting, right?
Yes, yes, exactly.
Who are you texting?
This is my business partner.
You see, she's texting a boy, but I don't care. It's normal. She's working in Oman with lots of boys, and maybe she's cooperating, she's collaborating with different boys. Then it's no big deal for me. No big deal.
Yes. Because
خب بچه‌ها بیایم چند تا اصطلاح رو با هم بررسی کنیم با هانا. اکس بوی فرند، اکس گرلفرند، دوست دختر سابق، دوست پسر سابق. فلرت، لاس زدن رو میگن. فلرتیشس، پسر لاس زن. A flirtatious boy. چیت، خیانت کردن. He cheated on me. حتما با آن میاد. She cheated on me. اون دختر خیانت کرد. She's a bad girl because she cheated on me. He's a bad boy because he cheated on me. To flirt یعنی لاس زدن. Relationship یعنی رابطه. ازش پرسیدم هانا are you still single کماکان مجردی or no you are in a relationship تو رابطه ای. ایشون گفتن she said I'm not in a relationship and I prefer to stay single. ترجیح میدم مجرد بمونم. I prefer to stay single because I don't trust boys anymore. دیگه پسر اعتماد ندارم. And she said سعید you were close یعنی خیلی صمیمی بودی. You were close to the boys. You talked to them very intimately یعنی صمیمی باشون صحبت میکردی و باید جدی باشی. You should be a little more serious to the girls. و رابطه ما our relationship finished. We broke up یعنی جدا شدیم. We broke up because we thought ما فکر کردیم it is not really good relationship. رابطه خوبی نمیتونه باشه یا it's kind of problematic. مشکل سازه. وقتی توی یه رابطه میبینی که مشکل سازه when you see a relationship is problematic you need to make decision. باید تصمیم بگیری make decision to break up as soon as possible. حالا از هانا دوباره میپرسم هانا would you like to continue your relationship with me or not? It's a difficult question.
yes.
All right. Well, وقتی میگی که میخوایی would you like to continue یعنی دوست داری ادامه بدی یا نه you prefer to stay single. حالا ادامه این ویدیو رو در ویدیوهای بعدی با شما در میون خواهم گذاشت. در کانال یوتیوب ما باشید و اتفاقات جذاب میفته. I will show you. Thank you.